Hello mga padaba! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fiji once again, your Bicolana travel vlogger. Diyos marhay na aldaw sa Indogabos. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you our activity number 2. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood ang aming first activity, abay ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Panoorin nyo na! At pagkatapos ng aming ATV ride adventure, proceed na po tayo dito sa Cagsawa Ruins, na kung saan ay matatagpuan dito sa Daraga Albay. The Cagsawa Ruins are the remnants of a 16th century Franciscan church, the Cagsawa Church. It was originally built in the town of Cagsawa in 1587, but was borne down and destroyed by Dutch pirates in 1636. It was rebuilt in 1724 by Father Francisco Blanco, but was destroyed again, along with the town of Cagsawa, on February 1, 1814, during the eruption of the Mayon volcano. The ruins are currently located in Barangay Busay, Cagsawa, in the municipality of Daraga Albay. It is part of Cagsawa Park, protected and maintained by the municipal government of Daraga and the National Museum of the Philippines, and is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the area. And we are thankful that time ng pag-visit namin dahil nasilayan pa namin ang kagandahan ng Mayon Volcano. Pagkat pagkalipas ng isang oras ay matatakpan na po siya ng mga ulap. See? I am right. Nakita nyo na kaya namin buhatin ang pagkalaki-laking batong yan. We have the superpower to do that. But of course, with the help of the cameraman. Nako naman, todo pose pa rin kahit mainit ang panahon. Sayang naman kasi ng pagkakataon. If you are planning to go somewhere together with your family or friends, I would suggest visit po kayo sa Bicol, wherein makakapag-relax kayo ng sobra, and don't miss out this amazing place which is the Cagsawa Ruins. Bukod sa sariwa na ang hangin, magaganda pa ang mga tanawin. Hope you enjoy watching our second activity. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and click the icon bell button to keep you updated for my next video. And that's where our video ends. Thank you for watching. Diyos mabalos!